Managing weight. Effective strategies for a healthy body. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall well-being. Here are simple strategies to help you manage your weight. Eat balanced meals. Include fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. Watch portion sizes. Use smaller plates and bowls to control portions. Stay active. Aim for 30 minutes of exercise most days. Limit processed foods. Minimize sugary snacks and fast food. Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Practice mindful eating. Eat slowly and pay attention to hunger cues. Set realistic goals. Make small, gradual changes for long-term success. By following these strategies, you can achieve a healthy body and improve overall well-being. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.